Hello, everybody.
So what are we doing?
Well, we are celebrating the order of eyeballs from Zenni, so that wifey here can see again.
And you.
Yeah, me too.
Do you want to show them what I did for you?
Whoosh, she got me deep.
Maddie, get out of the trash! I'm not refilming this, by the way.
See, with the aviator glasses, and then they got the little zippies. Hold on,
By the way,
I'm new.
they only sent one, by the way.
See, and yes, I am new to glasses, so please bear with me.
He's just a learner.
I have my learning permit for these. There we go.
Damn it!
Damn it! What?
Put them on properly.
They are on properly.
Well, I think she puts with the one on the back.
Well, she fit them to your face, not mine.
Well, she needed to fit them to yours.
Well,
We'll have to go back and get them refitted. Anyway, you want to show them your case?
and then she got me this snazzy leather case for it. Oh, faux leather.
It's full leather, but
Yeah.
it's blue. It's his favorite color, and
and I'm excited.
it's what he likes. Now, I have so many that I requested his help to go through this. So, with that being said, here we go. Pick.
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Just pick one.
Oh. Toe.
Okay, that was rather random.
There you go. Show them off.
So these are the translucent floral ones. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but Maddie's futzing around again.
Yeah. It's P o'clock. Again.
Well, tough puppy for her, because we're a little busy.
Yes. Yes, I'm chillaxing in bed, so.
I don't know how to show these.
Looks just fine to me.
There's those. My head's already hurting, so I'm not going to try them on. I will do a try on in a different video.
We just want to. We're just doing this to let you guys know what we got, what she got from Zenni.
It's basically like a show and tell right now. But I'm still trying to get used to the glasses, and I still stand by what I said in a previous video about not wearing them, but with in between my makeup and glasses. Oh, these are brown squares. I think these are the ones that fit me the best.
Yep.
Start picking. Start picking.
Pick, pick, pick.
Oh, by the way, his face is fried.
Yeah.
Pick. They all come with
a case.
Yep. And what else?
And what is it? Microfiber cleaning cloth.
Cloth. But they also come with anti-scratch coating. And I did put, even on his anti-reflective coating, do yourself a favor, pay the $5 to get the anti-reflective, because what I see is what just made me get the anti-reflective.
Yeah, you don't want halos around the headlights as you're driving into them.
So these are supposed to be rose gold, but they're more or less pink. But they're the same style as his glasses. Why is my phone going off?
I don't know.
Stupid phone. But it's generally the same style. It's just in a different color, which again is supposed to be rose gold, but
I wish Goonie Goo Goo would shut up over there.
she's throwing a fit.
Which puppy? Both of them? All of them?
Maddie is.
That's just tough puppy. Now,
Okay.
isn't it?
So, this pair and another pair I thought would be good for maybe some eyeshadow kind of looks, but for me to still be able to see. So these are translucent square frames. Again, I will try on in a different video.
Now, after they arrived today, we did take them down to an optometrist and had them all adjusted to fit her.
Mm-hmm.
Because a lot of them just absolutely did not fit right. It wasn't Zenni Optical's fault. We're not blaming them.
No, it's not.
It's just the way that they came, so we just had to have them adjusted to fit her specific face.
And not only is it just the way they came, but I do have a very narrow face. I'm also going to add on to that here and say these are all from the teen girls section. Now, I did it from the teen girls section because I knew the women's would be way too wide on my face. Even then, with the teen girls, it's still rather wide, but I can't do much of anything.
There.
You're falling behind here, boy.
I'm always following. Never mind.
Don't make me slap you. This is the circle tortoise shell one.
Those are so pretty.
They call this a keyhole, I think.
Uh-huh.
Right there, the keyhole style of glasses. And
Point your nose.
nose. But like I said, these are all from the teen girls section.
You didn't try mine?
I was going to try them on later.
Oh, okay.
Remember, I have a pounding headache, too. No, it's because I'm not used to black floral. This guy right here had something to do with this pair in particular.
Those were specially concocted by me.
Tell them what you did.
I actually went and I got blue blockers for them and polarized lenses and all. And they're engraved with her name. We paid the extra for the engraving.
It was only like $1.
Yeah.
It really wasn't. It says Tay-Tay McNeil.
Even though it's upside down and backwards, but that's okay.
No, it's not.
No, I know, but if you...
In the camera it is, yeah, but in person, no, it's not.
Yeah.
But
I kind of meant those for her to wear every day.
do you want to show them the ones I've been loving? They're stupid looking, but I love them. And then I went through and got the clip-on, but the person at where we went and got these fixed told me that this particular kind, with the way it's set up, is not good because it will take off the coating on your glasses. So be aware. And especially if you keep putting them on and off like I do.
Uh-huh.
Good.
Yep. So we will have to find a workaround for that.
Well, the workaround would be to put transition lenses in.
Well, and I tried that.
I can't English.
But you can only do so much with the glasses. You can't get, everything you want in the same lenses. It doesn't work. Chemicals will be chemicals.
They're so stupid looking. But I absolutely love them.
I keep trying to tell her they're not stupid looking, but what do I know?
We kept calling them, me and my mom kept calling them my gold Harry Potter glasses. They're so stupid looking. I love them.
I think they look fine on her, but that's me.
Kid. Tomorrow. Now, these are the ones that I've been wearing. Would you say all day today? Probably not all day.
Not all day.
In between the floral ones and these ones. These are black and purple. However, there is one thing about this particular pair that I did notice, and I will go through that in a minute. I just want to show you the frame.
Yep. She's going to do her review in another video.
Mm-hmm.
So please stand by.
That's what I noticed. It's flimsy, but
They're meant to be flexible, but for some people it might not be their taste.
yes, but it's flexible to the point of it's moving this lens.
Yeah. And don't do too much.
So, be aware. I'll put the number style for these ones in the description box if I can remember to. Honey, please help me remember that.
I'll try to.
But it moves, because they're so flexible, it moves the lens in the glasses. So, just be aware. Where'd the cloth go?
I don't know. There's one here, isn't there?
What the hell?
Here, there's the one here.
This is what the cloths look like, by the way. And I got these from zennioptical.com. I get the feeling I should take advantage of the fact that I now have to wear glasses and try different web pages, not just Zenni. Zenni, you have become my kryptonite.
That's okay. When I get my glasses or my prescriptions, I will order from Zenni, and
He's already on Zenni. Like, he already has an account. This is how I set up the case. They all come with this cheap plastic case. The case that I bought for him was extra. It's a full leather case, but it has quite a bit of space in there.
mm-hmm.
You put your glasses in there backwards, honey. See, there's two things right here. It's meant to go where the nose piece is.
Oh, okay.
You didn't know that, did you?
No.
Yeah. So there's those.
And the last torpedo.
And the last one. Again, with the makeup. This is the other pair I was trying to tell you guys about. But I absolutely love these round frames on me. But these are clear round frames.
Now, see, I don't think she looks bad in any of them, so I think she looks rather cute.
Like I said, I have a pounding headache, so that's not going to happen right now.
And she's still trying to get used to wearing glasses again.
And I say again because, like I said, I still stand by what I said. With me not wanting to wear makeup and now it's not even like a necessity. It's more my safety at risk. Because I cannot see that corner.
Nope.
And me running into that fence as many times as I almost did, pretty well my safety's at risk.
Yeah. Yep. And everybody around you, too.
Yeah. And I don't want people to pay for my stupidity of not wearing my glasses and knowing that I have to wear them. Now, even for morning, me and Mufasa do a morning run. We take the trash out. we go and get the girls. When I say the girls, I mean my 2 female dogs, Maddie and Xena. And then take them all to the park, load them all back up, bring the car home, morning run's done.
Mm-hmm.
Even though the morning run is short, like I said, I don't want other people to pay for my stupidity. Do you have anything else to add to that?
Nope, I really don't. I'm glad she got him because I've been complaining about that for a minute.
He hates the fact that I don't like wearing them.
And I understand not liking to wear them and not wanting to wear them because I'm not really thrilled about the fact that I might have to either.
No, it's pretty set in stone that you will have to.
The other thing is that you have to be able to see what you're doing. No matter what it is, you have to see what you're doing.
It's quite scary not. And the funniest part about it is, I still don't know if it's clear. Does that make sense? I don't know if it's crystal clear like it's supposed to be.
Yeah, because
I don't know.
Your vision's been blurry forever.
I've been with you 6 years now?
5.
5 years? Almost 6 years.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and I was with him the day that I decided that I wasn't going to wear my glasses. And it just got to the point where I was getting too scared to do my morning run. And that's something that me and Mufasa have done since we moved up here.
Mm-hmm.
So we've done that for almost 2 months now. They're about 2 months.
Yep.
And not being able to do it scares the hell out of me.
And me too.
Well, not only that, the house would stack up in trash, and I was trying to... Sorry, guys, there's something in my gums and it really hurts. Not being able to do my morning run, I think more or less I would go nuts. The house would stack up in trash, house would stack up in dishes. I still got fingers.
Uh-oh. Yep.
Say bye.
Bye, everybody. Have a good night. Or day. Or whatever.
Whenever the hell you're watching this.
Uh-huh.
This is my dear husband right here.
Oh.
This is mine. I don't share.
Same with me. I don't share her.
He's so red. He's so fried. Look at him.
Mm-hmm.
My poor baby.
Yep.
See, I look nice and tan next to you now.
I know. This is what happens when a night person goes out during the day.
Mm-hmm. That's so bad. You can feel the heat radiating off of his skin.
Mm-hmm. I got crispified.
Look at this. Look at the camera.
Uh-huh.
Your skin versus my hand.
Oh, I know.
Neon white. Get some color, Taylor. Get some color. Bye!